Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can activate your credit. In order to activate your credit card of DBS Bank online, first thing first, make sure that you have an online banking account. After that, you'll need to open up a web browser. After that, open up the application, click on the login button. So enter in your credit and then log into your account. Button located right at the bottom. Now this is going to take you to the manage cards and loan. So under it there are multiple options. Once again, go to activate cards and click on it. As soon as you click on it, you'll be provided with two different options, that is either to activate your credit card or ATM or debit card. So select either one of these options. Next page, tap on the credit card you'd like to activate. After that, review the request and tap on the activate card button to complete your card activation request. In this way, you can activate your credit card of DBS Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.